What's up guys, it's Matt Collins Jones here, also known as the D365 Geek, and today we're talking about Power Automate and we're talking about Microsoft To Do. Now I explained in a previous video what Microsoft To Do is, but as a quick recap, Microsoft To Do is a fantastic to-do list style application by Microsoft. It helps me organize my day. You can add things to lists, check things off. It's absolutely brilliant. I highly recommend checking it out. They have a web app as well as a desktop application. Today, what we're going to look at is we're going to look at the Get a To-Do action in Power Automate. So let's take a look at it. I'm in Power Automate here. I have a manual trigger flow, and then I have a to-do list item here that I'm creating. So I'm going to create a new to-do list item. It's called the Power Automate video test. We're going to set a due date, set a start date, being the same time here. We have some text in the body of the description here, so in the notes. It says this is a test task, please complete, with a link to my blog as well. So that's the first step. The second step is we go to add new step. We type into the search bar to do. We find the Microsoft To Do business. And then this action here, get a to do. So if I click on that, it's asking me for the to do ID. So I can get that from my previous step. So if I go down here, I can choose ID, and then that's all we need. So that's what passed in. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to create this to-do list item, and then we're going to run this to actually get that to-do item. So we'll test this out. Test. I'll perform the trigger action, save and test, and we will run this flow. Click done. And we can see the flow ran successfully. So we can see that we've created this to-do list item here. If I flick over to Microsoft To Do in the web, I can refresh the page and it will appear in this list here. There it is. Just took a while to plan in there, to populate in there. We have this Power Automate video test. We have the details here that we had in there. We say it's due today because it said UTC now. So all good is created that. Now the next step below it is actually getting that to-do list item. So what we can see is it's actually pulled back some additional details here. So we've got the body content in HTML, which is what we've got here. We've got that there. We've got the due date. We've got the importance level. We got the status, so if it's started or not. We've got the ID, all these things. So that's all this does is just it pulls back that record so that you can do something with it. Now, I've not found a particular use for this at the moment. The reason being is that there doesn't seem to be a way to call Microsoft To Do to actually give me a list of things. So the only way you can actually use this at the moment is if you know the ID of a to-do list item. The problem is that you don't know the ID unless you use the create step, in which case, why do you really need this? So I think this is a precursor to more functionality being released, where we may be able to list to-do items and filter them, and then get a to-do list item, and then request that one in the get step, so that you can then use that information later on. So I think this is just a basis that the Power Automate team and the To-Do team are creating this for, so that then they can use this later on. But let me know if you have any other information, like if you've used this for something else and you can get the information some other way. Let me know in the comments down below. I always love learning new things, especially from people that watch these videos. So let me know down below. If you like this video, please like and please share it with your friends. If you've not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time.